Wi-Fi Cash Bot review, creators and side hustlers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something amusing and powerful to share with you. It's called Wi-Fi Cash Bot, a hands-free automation system that claims to turn your phone into a 24/7 income machine. With just a few taps, it promises to activate 5 different income streams without selling, showing your face, or building a brand. It's designed for beginners, runs entirely online, and works from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. The sole purpose of this video is OTOs, the one-time offer that you can take advantage of. But first, let's see some amazing features of Wi-Fi Cash Bot and understand what it can do. 1. One-tap activation. It only takes 30 seconds and a single tap to launch the system. No setup headaches, no learning curve. Just tap your phone and let the automation begin. 2. 5 built-in income streams. From affiliate commissions to ad revenue and AI-generated profits, Wi-Fi Cash Bot runs multiple streams of income at once, all on autopilot, so you earn passively while doing other things. 3. Zero tech skills needed. You don't need to be tech-savvy. Whether you're 18 or 80, the step-by-step training and done-for-you setup make it easy for total beginners. 4. Works on any device, anywhere. As long as you've got Wi-Fi and a smartphone, you're in. It works on iPhone, Android, tablets, and even old laptops. No downloads or fancy hardware required. 5. No content, no camera, no selling, no filming, no face on screen, and no awkward sales tactics. You stay completely anonymous while the bot does the work in the background. Now let's see the OTOs of Wi-Fi Cash Bot. First, we have already seen the Wi-Fi Cash Bot front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $47. Second OTO is 100% Done For You Edition for $67. Third OTO is Unlimited Traffic for $67. Fourth OTO is Automation for $47. Fifth OTO, AI ATM Edition for $37. Lastly, the sixth OTO is a license rights for $97. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses, so don't wait around while others are cashing in with a few taps on their phone. Wi-Fi Cash Bot is already helping people earn from home without tech skills or upfront costs. You've got everything you need: your phone, Wi-Fi, and this tool. Grab your copy now, claim the bonuses, and start seeing money flow in before the day is over.